Today, I have something extraordinary to share with you that I have learned by reading some of the books from the amazing author Shakti Gawain. We are diving deep into the law of attraction and uncovering one of the most powerful techniques, creative visualization. I decided to do this video today because I just manifested something I've been visualizing for over 5 months. However, as much as I was sure it was coming to me, I still felt astonished when it actually materialized. So if you are ready to manifest your desires, stay with me and I promise it will be worth it. The first step is to choose the best time in your day for this practice. Ideally, it's before bedtime because that's when you can send your desires and intention into your subconscious. As you sleep, your brain processes this information, making it more powerful. However, if you prefer, you can do it any other time. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes of your day to dedicate solely to this technique. You will be amazed at the results if you do it consistently and focused. So here we go. When you decide you are ready to do it, find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and focus on relaxing. It is essential to be relaxed to absorb the technique fully. Once you're comfortable, it is time to imagine your desires. Think about what you want to manifest. You can focus on one thing at a time. And remember, spend only a little bit of your time visualizing. Imagine that your desire is happening right now at this very moment. And here is a crucial tip. When you visualize, make sure to see yourself as the main character, the protagonist of that story. Put yourself in the first person standpoint. So to bring that desire to you, imagine yourself fully immersed in the experience. Then, you engage all your senses in this visualization. First, picture what you've seen in your mind. Pay attention to the colors, the objects, the people around you, and the overall environment. The more details, the better. And next, focus on your feelings. Are you experiencing joy, excitement, or perhaps calmness? Feel those emotions as if you are genuinely living that moment. Let them wash over you. Remember your sense of hearing. Are there any sounds in the environment? People speaking, music playing, or nature sounds? Tune in and let those sounds fill your imagination. And what about the smell? Is there a particular scent in the place you are visualizing? Engaging all your senses tricks your brain and mind into believing you are genuinely experiencing. And guess what? The universe responds to that belief. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes on this visualization. And then let it go. Release it to the universe. As I always say, take action in your daily life to support your desires, but without getting attached to the specific outcome or how it will happen. Trust that it will totally come to you at the perfect time. You can enhance your visualization practice by playing relaxing or meditative music. Choose something that resonates with you and helps elevate your frequency. Choosing a song without lyrics could be best, as lyrics can sometimes interfere with visualization. However, if you feel that the lyrics don't distract you, choose whatever you enjoy. The crucial thing is that the music helps you evoke the desired feeling, because music has the power to elevate our frequency. Here is an additional step you can incorporate into your daily practice. On the days when you are not doing the detailed visualization, you can focus on the aftermath of your desire being fulfilled. Imagine what your life looks like once that desire has manifested. Create a little story in your mind. Picture your first day with your wish fulfilled. How do you feel? Who are you talking to? What places are you going? Are you wearing something special? Are you planning to celebrate somewhere? Please pay attention to all these details and gradually build upon them daily. Trust me, this simple technique can be compelling. The more you practice, the more aligned you become with the frequency of your dreams. And when the timing is right, the universe will manifest your desires. Remember, visualization is just one piece of the puzzle. Take inspired action in your everyday life, but release any attachment to how your desires will come to fruition. Trust in the process and believe everything works for your highest good. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow and reach more people who can benefit from this knowledge. And if you haven't already, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you will get all future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and keep manifesting your dreams. Have a lovely day.